In this video, the concept of Web 3.0 is explained in brief. So watch the video till the end to understand this broad concept. These days everyone is talking about Web 3.0. But what exactly is the Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is generally considered as the third version of Web. For understanding this, we have to go to the very first version of Web, which is Web 1.0. It was the earliest version of Internet, which mostly composed of web pages connected by hyperlinks, without other additional visuals, controls or forms that we see today. It was the read-only web that was not interactive to the users. So there is no option given for user to communicate back or give feedback for the information to the content. Now comes the second version of Web, which is Web 2.0. Web 2.0 is considered as social web or read-write web, where we can interact with the web pages and activity, give feedback and many more. It is the web which continuous even now. Some of the famous applications built in Web 2.0 era are Facebook, YouTube, Flickr, Twitter, Instagram, etc. These days Web 2.0 has gone so much further than just interactivity to the users. Artificial intelligence has made Web 2.0 the most fascinating thing on the web, which has many advantages as well as disadvantages to the users. For example, Facebook knows what products you are searching in or trying to buy in an Amazon store with the help of its AI. This may sound a little weird that it tracks everything about you, like the places you've visited, products you've brought, things you've liked, and like literally everything of you that's going you with you on your social media life. We all are used to with the social media with different purposes like entertainment, education, learning, reading and writing, employment and many other things. This is up to the Web 2.0 have emerged onto now. Now let's dive into the Web 3.0. Everyone's talking about Web 3.0. So what exactly is Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is a future web that is offering a broader concept to the internet. This web utilizes the blockchain technology. In other words, it is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system by anyone. For this all work, let's take an example of torrent network. Many of you may have downloaded a torrent file which is very small in size. What does it do when you open it in the torrent downloader softwares like uTorrent or BitTorrent? The torrent file downloads another big media file. So where were those files stored? To be clear, that media file you downloaded from torrent doesn't come from a single database. It comes from the computers, also known as the peers, that are willing to give you that file from all around the world. If there are no any peers giving service, then that file won't be downloaded. So likewise, Web 3.0 works on the same way that I clarified. Suppose you want to sell some of your products in a social media. For this, Web 3.0 will keep your identity safe without revealing your information, just by encouraging to sell the product. Here, no permission is needed from a central authority to post anything on the web. There is no central controlling node like Facebook or Google. All the rules are given and implemented by DAOs, which stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. It is an organization which is governed entirely by its individual members, who collectively make critical decisions about the future of the project. So now, for even understanding a Web 3.0 in a nutshell, in the future, if the concept of Web 3.0 will gets implemented by all of the companies, there may come a time where we have to pay some Bitcoin amount for the subscription of YouTube channels. So for that, everything should be decentralized, and all the machine into the web should process data in a secure and flexible way and should be transparent for natural language processing. The term Web 3.0 was first said by the very first web inventor, Tim Berners-Lee. He explained Web 3.0 as a semantic web where machines quickly understand and react to complicated human requests subject to their meaning. They can use the web to do multiple tasks, such as booking online tickets, searching different things in internet, using online banking, etc. Gavin Wood, who is a computer scientist and co-founder of Ethereum, started a foundation called Web3 Foundation, where they create and support software and platforms that aren't dependent on traditional companies. So up to now, we have talked about the concept of Web 3.0. This may not exactly be the same as we discussed. It is the broader concepts of different ideas in the future for upcoming generations. So, thank you for watching. Hope to meet you at my next video. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel.